Okay, let's see how we can fix the blinds here. One of my blind a piece of blind is broken, so I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna take one piece of blind from the bottom, and then I'm gonna put it over here. There's a little note you can see. And this little knot you can unhook it, and then you can take one piece of blind from the bottom, then you can replace it out there. Then you need to go back and tie it back. Okay, let's see that. What I did, I just broke it off. The broken piece, I just took it off by breaking it off. Okay, now I'm gonna there's a knot over there, so I'm gonna unhook the knots. There's a 4 knots. You can see there's 1, that's a 2, there's 3, that's 4. So I'm gonna unhook each of them. So you can see the knot. Just pull it out so it will release it. You see now it's released. So I'm gonna unhook all 4 knots. Okay, I'm gonna pull this string up, so it will reach all the way up here. So all 4. There's the 4 strings. You need to pull all 4 strings up here. So I'm gonna take the last piece, the last one. I'm gonna pull it out and put it on the space over here. This space you can just slide from here. Yeah. Go to the next one. There we go. The slider. It. So now you can put the string. And now you can put the string from here to the bottom. Then you're gonna, once you reach the bottom, you're gonna tie it again. You're gonna make a knot. All four strings. So there's a pattern for the strings, so you just make sure you go with the same pattern. You can look on the top blinds. You can see how the pattern goes down. It's like a zigzag, like one goes from here to there, and you can see that. Then the other one comes like, it looks like a zigzag all the way down. Then make a knot, then you'll be done. So I got the string all the way down here, and the last one, you had to go through that little hole over there. You may have a hard time to put it in, then maybe you can use the little safety pin. You can push it in down. So it works for me, so you can try that, or you can try something else that works for you. Okay, once you reach at the bottom, just make a note just like it before, so it doesn't comes out. Okay, so that's the final process. Once you've done all 4 strings, then it's make sure it works. Just using the little knot over there, up and down. Let's try it. There you go. I made a knot over there. Now I'm gonna tight the upper strings here. You can see there's a 2 little strings. You can pull it up, so it will tight more. So because you lost one line here, so there's a space over there. So you have to make sure you tie these 2 strings up, so it will tight. So you can see I pull both strings up. You can try with the little plier. You can pull it out. Alright, so I replaced that little blind that broke off. It looks pretty nice. You can see it works. Open and close. There's no trouble. It's a simple process you can fix yourself.